Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all the current progress for Flipnote fighters. Actually, um, this URL, you can go to it and you can play this current version. And yeah, this is the current progress. When you start, they just fall from the air and then they shake the ground. You use the arrow keys, but you also and the enter key because that's the 3DS A button. But you can also use the space bar. But anyway, so I can move back and forward. I can double tap forward to. Oh, I guess this one warps it instantly. I've changed that since this update here. But yeah, I can press forward, and then I'll just warp in front of them. So I could like do something like be back here and then warp and then start punching like this. And then punching's really cool looking for now at least. So like if you keep punching repeatedly, just the enter key or space bar, you can see numbers pop away. That's basically like a little chain link. And then the character flies upwards, but I will change that later. It does that because I made the character move upwards and backwards so that you can basically punch them infinitely, but then give the character, a chance to escape all these, hits. So that's why it goes up like that. But I'm gonna change that. I most likely will just I don't know what I'll do. And then I can put back forward, and then it will make me switch sides. And then I can do that here too, back forward. So yeah, I can do back forward that, and then start punching. And then back forward, enter key, it will do like a strong punch, and then it will knock them back a little bit as you can see. You can also double tap up to fly, or actually I think you just press up while you are in the air. So it's kind of like double tapping up. Then you'll fly. Not so much is done with the animation. You can go up, down, left, and right. This is your energy, so it will use your energy if you're flying. So, be cautious about that. This is just a little bar I was testing. It just shows that how far away or something the your opponent is. And then if you go too far away, you like lock off of it. And then you can come back and then it'll be there. Now it's underneath you. There's nothing here to let you know. Yeah. If you are flying, you can just double tap down to release that effect. Now the progress I've made, different from the URL you can go to. I have a little blue outline now. It's more Flipnote. It gives it a Flipnote flavor, I guess, having a blue outline. I mean, I could have like orange, but the actual Flipnote, you can only have black, blue, and red. So in here, if I double tap forward, no, I have to do double. I think it's disabled or something like that. There was some weird thing going on. None that's important. I know what the problem is. I have the default as a stick man, so I'm just gonna copy and paste that to one of these things. I think that's the same anyways. So refresh the page. Oh wait, no, what? That's so funny. I guess I didn't copy that. Oh my, wait, no, I don't know. That just didn't get copied. That's weird. But yeah, General Teo or something. I was doing some Dragon Ball Z stuff. Alright, now, Stickman. Alright, so. Yeah, so now forward just boosts me instead of warp me. But that's not going to be like, a confirmed effect. What I'm going to do is have different moves for different people. So like, the warper, that's what I'm doing right now. He would use this effect. He would be somewhere, and then he could warp, and then start punching. So that would be like the warper guy. And then some other players or some other things, forward would be like little boosts. So yeah, I'm basically working on different characters right now. So forward, enter. Oh wait, no, just forward. Yeah, but anyways, I've noticed though that I kind of do trigger stuff on accident sometimes. So what I'm probably gonna do for controls is have it like you do forward and then press enter, and enter would be like the trigger button. Like it would be the punch button, but also the trigger button to trigger a move. So most likely the final version, you would, if you want to boost or something, you would do forward, and then you have to press enter. But anyways, other than that, what else do I have? Well, it's all basically the same actually. There's slow time. Up, right, down, backward, enter. So it basically it slows my opponent. You can see that they're moving in slow motion right now, which is pretty neat. And then they go back to normal. So if I do that special move, it automatically bumps them in the air because you know I'm just testing anyways. But yeah, they move in slow motion. So that's pretty neat right now. So yeah, I'm working on basically characters and moves right now, I guess. But also, like I said, probably I don't know. The enter key is going to be like a trigger button. So you know, it will just be used to trigger stuff. Oh yeah, I could also just keep punching him in the air, probably, going up and up and up since he's in slow motion at least. Oh, I think he's in fast motion now. Yep. So yeah, it's in slow motion. All right. So if you like this video, if you want to have Flipnote fighters done, you know, faster, even for a 3DS browser game. Although this is kind of slow in a 3DS browser, but there's not much 3DS browser speed enhancements going on. When I do this, this will definitely be a lot faster, and I know that because I know how to do stuff with a 3DS browser. It would have a screen for the player, for player one, and a screen for player two. And I'll have some 3DS browser speed techniques going on later, but I know for a fact this can work fast on a 3DS browser. Or at least until you do stuff like blow up the earth and then have a lot of animation going. You know, it might have lag moments, but yeah. So please share this video and, you know, just help spread the website. That would help a lot. If you can donate, I might do a Patreon thing again, but it just seems useless to be honest. But I guess I'll do it. It might help motivate people, or you know, something like that. I don't know. But yeah, what else can I do? Actually, I can slow down time for both players. Let me pause it. Yeah, so with this, I can slow down time for both players. Oh crap, what the heck? Not sure where we left off, but let me go ahead and put slow motion on again. So this makes it slow motion for the entire game. So everything here is slow motion. So, you know, that's some kind of effect I'm doing too, you know. I'm doing pretty good with this game. You can actually see the animation of the punching a little bit now, actually. Basically, he's punching, you know, really, really fast. Yes, so there's not really much else to do. And this video is about to be 10 minutes, which is the limit of this recording thing I have. But yeah, I guess I'm pretty much working on characters right now. I guess, I believe I have the controls, you know, figured out. So like, I might have a custom settings, let you choose which type of controls you want. But I think what I'm going to do is remove something like this, where you just double tap, because I feel like I do that on accident a lot. And then have it so that you would double tap forward and then press A, or the enter key, and that's like the trigger button, the trigger moves. So, alright, let's see, what can I do? I'm going to put it in slow motion, and then do my slow motion move so that the enemy should be in extra slow motion. I don't know, whatever. Like this video if you like it. See you.